In this video, we're going to look at how to use Recut with Adobe Premiere. So we're going to take a video into Recut, do a quick rough cut with it, and then take the timeline into Premiere for further editing. Let's get into it. Okay, so I have Recut open here, and I'm going to drag in my video and the external mic that went along with it. And then I'm going to switch over to clips mode and really quickly just sync these up, get like a rough sync that looks about right. And nudge that over until it's about right. Yeah, that's good enough just to get something going here. And so what I want to do is just export this timeline into Adobe Premiere and then use that for more editing. So I'm going to go over to the Export tab up here, and I'm going to click on this Timeline tab here, and then go to Adobe Premiere XML and click on Export. It'll get a .xml extension, and there it is right there. And so now we have to go into Adobe Premiere, and I'm just going to go up to File, New Project, and I'll call it Untitled 2, doesn't really matter. So then we double click on this Import Media area and click on the XML file that we created from Recut. And when you import that, you'll get all of your media files and the timeline. So if you just have a video, you're just going to have two things here. So you have to make sure to click on the right one. You want to click on the one that has this little timeline icon and not the MP4 or MOV file or whatever that is. So when you double click on that, it'll open up the timeline, and then you can go in here and do whatever cuts you need to do, or transitions, or any of that fancy stuff inside Premiere. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.